From the Dreamy Leads Research Desk, California's NEM 3 slashed what the grid pays for your solar power from about 28 cents a kilowatt-hour to roughly a nickel. So is rooftop solar still worth it in 2026? Short answer, yes, but the math changed, and a battery is now part of it. In April 2023, California switched to net billing, NEM 3. The big change: the credit you earn for sending solar power back to the grid dropped from roughly the retail rate, about 28 cents a kilowatt-hour, down to around a nickel. Exporting to the grid is no longer where the savings are. This is general information, not advice. Under NEM 3, the credit for power you export fell by about 80%, from roughly 28 cents a kilowatt-hour to about 5 cents. That is the single biggest shift in the math. Because exported power is now worth so little, the smart move is to store it and use it yourself. That is why about 80% of new California solar installs in 2025 included a battery, up from a small fraction a few years ago. With a battery size to your home, a typical California system now pays for itself in about 9 to 11 years, a few years longer than under the old rules, but still well inside the system's 25-year-plus life. Over 25 years, a typical California home with solar and storage still nets on the order of $50,000, even after NEM 3. Smaller than the old net metering days, but solar still wins for most homeowners who own their roof. Start with the rule change. The Federal Residential Solar Credit, Section 25D, expired for systems bought with cash in 2026, so a cash buyer now gets zero federal credit. A lease or power purchase agreement may still capture 30% through the Section 48E commercial credit. This is general information, not advice. So, is solar still worth it in California under NEM 3? For most homeowners who own their roof and pair panels with a battery, yes. The grid no longer pays you well for extra power, so the value is in making and using your own. Run your own numbers before you sign anything. This is general information, not advice. General information, not professional financial, tax, legal, or insurance advice. Run your own California numbers on the Dreamy Leads Financial Data Explorer. Dreamy Leads may earn a commission through partner links. It never changes the numbers.